that's the motherboard. All right, that is all practically in right now. Okay, good. I'm like, okay, what about next? All right, next is the graphics card, and wait till you see this. This is, people, the AFGA GTX 560 Ti. This is the For the Win edition. Has 1.2 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM, video RAM, and it's 448 cores. Basically, the guy told me at the store, this is the equivalent. This is the GTX 560 version of, like, this is like okay, hold on. This has the performance of a 580, a GTX 580 graphics card, but like half the price, right? And it's perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted the OEM, the original equipment manufacturer, but this one is much more. This one's brand new and it's a lot better. All right, so this thing will run. This thing's a beast. All right, let's just say that it's a beast. Wait till you see this card. It's humongous. All right, well, I actually gave you a poster. Check this out. Oh. That is sick. Wow. And it's ripped. It's ripped in the center. Oh, that's funny. Alright, well, I'm not folding that back up. I'm not touching it. That's pretty cool. They give you a poster for buying the graphics card. That's sick. Alright, now see the disc? This is to install everything. Oh, look at that. It comes with a metal. This is a sticker. Check that out. I love that. Tension. Got some stuff here. Not sure. Now everyone, this graphics card is amazing. Alright, that's all I'm going to say. Here is the AFGA. Once I can get it out. Alright, there we go. Here's the AFGA GTX 560 Ti For the Win edition. That's your graphics card. That's what's powering everything. It's a beast. DVI, well, some other thing. DVI. There's your HDMI, and then some other one right there. I forgot what they said, but yeah. This is $280, guys. And this will get you the performance of a, oh, there's more tape. And this will get you the performance of a GTX 580. But the price is much less. Now check that out. That's cool. Alright, so that's your next step, guys. After you take off all the protective plastic from everything, that is it. You're probably asking, where do you put this thing? Well, here's where the case size comes in. Because if you're going to have a huge graphics card like this, you need a big case. As you can see, this thing has no problem housing it. It's amazing. So, first thing you gotta do is mount the hold on, or some other stuff you have to plug in for mounting the motherboard, which we should have done in the first place. Where's the cords for the motherboard? Oh, I gotta find cords. Oh, actually, I'm talking about the case, right? Hold on. Actually, hold on. You gotta screw in the motherboard, too, because you don't want that thing flying around. Alright, well, I think it's this. You got this screw. How many screws do we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 screws. 3. Would help if they all were stuck at the freaking bottom. Come on. 4. Aren't all the screws I need stuck at the bottom? Figures, huh? Here, this is much easier and faster, more dangerous. Oops. 6. And we need one more of that screw. Nope. Is it like not have any more? Hold on. Did I choose the wrong screw? I thought that was it. It seems like the right screw. Huh. Alright, well we only have 6. I mean, this one will work, I guess. It's the same. It's practically the same thing. It just doesn't have as big of a head. Alright. We'll do that. Put these back in here. Which is gonna suck. Just go back in nicely, please. Alright, well obviously you're probably going to have more time than me if you're building this. It'd be cool if you guys actually are going to use this as an you know, a little help video of how to build a computer. Even though I'm an amateur at doing this, but still. Do it for the gaming. You do it for gaming. Because I love gaming. Alright, well we got our screws that we need to do. Let's screw in the motherboard. Probably should have done that first because we don't want the thing flying. Imagine that. Hey guys, it's all set up. That would have just been, I would have cried. I would have cried. Alright, so basically you put these little screws. Is this magnetic screw, hopefully?